So I'm just drawing the outline of the eye and the eyebrow, and now blocking in the colour and starting to shade the eyeball, remembering that it's spherical and that the eyelid overhangs, so there'll be a shadow there. Now I'm starting to work on the iris, making sure the top is darker and putting all the detail in. You need to have a good look in the mirror or a good look at some references to see how detailed and fascinating an iris really is. And also it's not just one colour, so I'm adding greens and greys and blues, now more detail and some shading, and finally a highlight which really brings it to life. Adding a few little veins in the whites of the eye and some highlights now around the eye and some shading which starts to make it look very three-dimensional. Highlighting the brow bone, darkening under the brow bone, just blocking in the eyebrow now, and fiddling about basically just making bits darker that I think should be and bits lighter that I think should be. And now I'm starting to add some detail to the skin, some dots and dashes for pores and some subtle wrinkles under the eye. Oop, just added quite a lot of texture there and took down the opacity. And now the eyelashes in clumps, thicker on the top and the bottom, adding a few little highlights just to make it look more alive, more three-dimensional. And from now on really it's just about detailing and being very observant of your reference, or your eye if you're using your eye. And here comes the eyebrow, using a very fine brush and adding in darker colours, lighter colours randomly, but making sure I always draw in the direction that the hairs grow. Finally, adding some colour to the skin. Skin isn't just pink or orange, it's got many different colours in it. And that brings the eye finally to life.